Hello everyone, this is Shrawan sir, making maths simple for you. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Karna Academy. Today in this video, we are going to solve one of the most important questions, which is from trigonometry. Dear student, this question is related to trigonometric equation. Let's solve it. Dear student, the question is solve sin square theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 0. The range of theta is 0 degree to 180 degree. So dear student, by solving this trigonometric equation, we have to find out the value of theta, and the value of theta should be from 0 to 180 degree. So let's solve it. So dear student, let us suppose sin theta by 2 as x, so that it will be easy to solve the equation. Let the trigonometric ratio sin theta by 2 be x. Then the given trigonometric equation will change into the trigonometric equation will change in the form of x square minus x plus 1 by 4. Simply we have substituted sin theta by 2 by x. We have replaced sin theta by 2 by x, so that the trigonometric equation will change in the form of the variable x. Dear student, now let us take LCM 4. Then 4 times x square will be 4x square minus 4 times x. It will be 4x plus 1 as it is. So taking 4 LCM, and 4 will multiply to the right hand side, then 4 zeros are 0. So dear student, now 4x square minus 4x plus 1, we can factorize it by first into last method, or directly we can use the completing square method. That means we can factorize it by two process, first into last method, another is directly changing into a square form. So let's change directly into a square form. So dear student, this is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square, which we can write as 2x minus 1 whole square, or 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, because square of 0 is 0. So dear student, by solving this equation, we have got value of x 1 by 2. So dear student, sin theta by 2 we have supposed x. So x we are going to replace by sin theta by 2. So sin theta by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. So dear student, 1 by 2 means sin 30 degree, because the value of sin theta is positive, which lies in the first quadrant. Dear student, the value of sin is positive in the second quadrant also. So we can express 30 degree in terms of 180 minus theta. The value of sin is positive in the second quadrant, and in the second quadrant, the angles are less than 180 degrees. So we can write sin 30 degree. Now we can write in the form of sin 180 minus theta. Dear student, now sin will cancel by equating the corresponding value on both sides. Equating the angles from both sides, because trigonometric ratio are same. So dear student, if we do crisscross, then theta will be 30 times 2 times 30 and 2 times 150. So the value of theta we have got 60 degree and 300 degree. Dear student, the range of theta, that means the value of theta should be greater than 0 and less than 180 degree, but the second angle, the second value of theta is more than 180 degree, so this 300 degree is rejected. So dear student, the value of theta is 60 degree. So by solving the given trigonometric equation, we have found that the value of theta is 60 degree. So dear student, if you want to take a screenshot, you can take it. So dear student, I hope that you have understood how to solve the trigonometric equation of this type. Next time we'll meet with the new content. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Thank you.